Hello everyone, welcome to my first ever video that I'm doing, and I have like no clue what I'm doing, so if it seems like I literally have no clue what I'm saying and things, it's because it's my first ever video. I'm trying to figure it out, you guys. And basically for our first ever video, I'm going to do an introduction of myself and a room tour, but we're going to start with an introduction, and I wrote down some questions, so I'm going to have to review them, and then I'll get right back to you guys. First thing I would like to actually review about myself is I'm 13 years old and my birthday is January 24th, and I would like to start a YouTube channel because I love watching other people and their careers and how they build up and things, and watching people grow and see their strengths is really cool in my opinion. And if you want to skip this boring part, go ahead. I don't care. I'm going to start with like 100 subscribers and then hopefully I'll build up. I don't know. But I also just want to start to see, like, look back on like my daily like vlogs or something, or daily videos, or I don't know, nighttime routine, skincare routine, anything that actually like I would see older and be like, oh my god, like I'm proud of who she became. She started here and she worked her way up here. And basically for a couple videos, I have no clue what I'm doing for the first couple videos, but I promise you I'm gonna figure my way out and I'm gonna do it. I have a really cool video because I love horses. If you haven't seen some of my shorts, I love them. I have a really good video idea, like a horse video where you come along, ride with me, or come help me, just come along with me with horseback riding, and I thought that would be a really cool video. And you'll just see my ideas and you can also recommend them to me. I will eventually try to make like accounts for you to post submissions and things. I would just love to see your submissions and your ideas, and yeah, so let me think of some other questions in my head real quick and I'll get back to you guys. There we go. My lighting wasn't fixed and it's still not perfectly fixed, but that's gonna have to do. Okay, it's like kind of tilted, so if it like falls over, there's a reason why. Next thing I'd like to say, my favorite color is like a light pink, and I play some video games. Probably not gonna be a lot of posting of video games. It's gonna be like vlogs, lots of vlogs in my opinion. And my favorite animal is a horse because I love horses and I love horseback riding. I already said that. My strange addiction, let me go get it real quick. Sunny Angels. I don't know why I love these guys so much, but I will buy them and I like them. I only have 2 Nidos, but I don't really care about them. Or like, I like Nidos, but I'm not like obsessed with them. Sorry, my hair was in the way of my mic, so if you couldn't hear me for a couple seconds, that's my bad. But these guys, I think they're probably like, I have like 20 something of them, so yeah. But sorry, I was fixing something on my pants. I had like food just now, so I thought I had something on my pants, so yeah. But let me think of other questions real quick. Another thing, I love makeup. You could see like this whole skincare and makeup back here, which we'll be reviewing later, and like makeup down here. I love makeup. I love doing my makeup, as you can see, like some mascara. I love my friends. I'm pretty sure everyone loves my friends. I will try to hang around if I can. I love clothing styles. I love styles of clothes. What I really want to be when I grow up is a lawyer or a therapist. So I think I want to be a therapist because I just love talking, and also I can express how I feel and relate to another person. I think that's one of my main things too. And yeah, I think that's also a main thing. I'm not a big jewelry person, or like I'm not really a fake nail person either, but I do have a couple fake nails like these. What I would really like to try at some point is like ASMR or something. I don't know, that would be a cool video idea to see if you would like that. I'm gonna Hang on one second. I'm gonna cut out the horse, or just the person. This is my favorite horse to ride. I bet I have a better photo of him. I'll try to insert a clip if I can remember. But yeah, and there's lots of like blankets over here with horses on them. I have horse sheets, but I took them off right now, as you can see. And I'm gonna go get a quick snack, and then I'll be right back. If you see me keep looking back, right, sorry, I just got back from my lunch break. I'm back. If you keep seeing me look this way, it's because my questions are on my computer, like right over here. And so I'm looking there and looking back, looking there, looking back. So I just thought I'd put that out there. The next question is how many subscribers do I want? I don't really care, as long as it's more than maybe like 1 million would be fun. I would really like that. Next is, what is a weird or quirky habit that I could like expose? I don't know really. Like, I would have to ask my parents or someone about that, because I can't think of that at the top of my head. Do you have any channels you watch a lot of the time? I watch the Calgaris sisters. I watch Coco Rosewater. I watch Michelle. No, I watch Challenge Accepted, Michelle something. I love watching her videos. I look up to her. I watch, I just watch a lot of like real life YouTubers. What is your go-to like coffee order? I would say oat milk latte, probably. An oat milk latte, yeah, with like 3 pumps of creamer. If I felt like I wasn't a YouTuber, hang on. The question is, if I wasn't a YouTuber, what would I be? I would want to be a writer. I would like writer. I've always thought that would be like a really cool job, like just to write stories, because you could do that in your free time a lot of the time, and I thought that would be cool. Favorite rapper or singer? My favorite rapper is probably Eminem. He makes good music. And my favorite singer, Sabrina Carpenter, probably, or Cat's Eye. I love Cat's Eye. Cat's Eye is good. Next one is, do I have a boyfriend? No, I don't. I'm working on it, though. No, I'm kidding. I don't have a boyfriend, though. My favorite candy is chocolate. I love chocolate so much. Like, yes, I will eat Sour Patch Kids. I think I have like some Sour Patch Kids downstairs or something. I love chocolate. I love a lot of candies, but main is chocolate. My height, I'm like 5'1", I think. My favorite food and drink strawberry acai lemonade refresher from Starbucks. Favorite food, probably, that's a tough decision. I love this like fried rice. I tried it one time at like Costco, and I really liked it, but we never bought it. I like chicken. Chicken's good. Sometimes I like sushi on like different days. So I like P. Terry's. I like P. Terry's a lot, and Chick-fil-A. My favorite season is probably winter or fall. I can't really decide, because those two are like really good seasons. Now it's hard, because spring has lots of flowers. You can make a cute video with spring. Summer, beautiful, like you get school off, you could do so many fun activities. I love summer, but it's too hot here. I die outside where I live. I'm not gonna say where I live, so you don't come to my house and knock on my door. But I think winter would probably be my favorite, just because it's cold finally, and it's always hot here. But I love fall too, because fall is just a fun season, and I think fall's a good season. Next is share an embarrassing memory. I remember there was this kid at school. It isn't even my embarrassing story. I'm kind of sharing it from a different... Actually, should I use that one? Yeah, we're going to use that one. I'm sorry if you're out there. And I promise it's not me. I literally swear on my dog's life. I never did this. It was so disgusting. There was a kid. It was in like 3rd grade. This kid literally poops And then I guess he like sticks his hand in and then like smears it all over the wall. It's so disgusting. It's a very weird memory that I have from third grade, fourth grade, somewhere around there. It's really disgusting. I would literally die. What's something that makes you cry? Death. I mean, it's just sad, touchy subject, and it's really hard. I think whenever I look back on my old dogs, like death, it makes me sad, but it doesn't make me cry or bawl out. Oh, Project Hail Mary, that movie made me cry. That's something that makes me cry. Something that makes me laugh, my friends and their faces. No, I love them all and they make me be joyful and happy. We're gonna ask 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 more questions, and we're gonna move on to the room tour because this introduction's getting pretty darn long. My favorite sport besides horseback is cheer. I love cheer. Cheer I've done for like 3 years. For 3 years, yeah. Books I like. I love romance books or drama books. Hang on. I love this book right now. I'm reading it, To All the Boys I've Loved Before. I think this book is a really good book. I just started reading it. Oh god. Sorry, there was a bug. My sexuality is I'm her/she. She. I can't say it with my expander. Great. Her/she. It's just my pronouns and things. I like guys. Yeah. And I just read that one. Have I met anyone famous? I wouldn't say they're famous, like just in general, but if you're a cheer person, I think you know who they are. Gabby Butler, I've met her before. I got a picture with her. I wonder if I still have it though. But I met her and she was super sweet. She was like, oh my god, I love your outfit. I love your makeup. She's really sweet. I liked meeting her. Okay, we're gonna actually get into the room tour now. So see you in 1 second. Another thing I would like to mention is some videos ideas. I want to do like your embarrassing moments, my embarrassing moments, my favorite moments, try not to laugh, like all these fun ideas while doing horseback riding, going on a walk, different activities. Like I'd love to read your submissions once I find something, or just in comments, or I'd read them in comments. You know, we'll find out eventually and things, and I'll figure out my role and things. So let me get my room a little cleaned up before we start, because yeah, I took my phone off this, and I also took the light off on my phone, and it's right here. Here is like my skincare stuff. I'm gonna kind of like try to pour that out. My Sunny Angels on the desk. I don't know how I got the lavalier. I'm still surprised. Here's my mouse, my 2 books that I'm reading. This I got from my like nanny that I used to have. This I think it's for like Wi-Fi connection. There's you guys in the mirror. Here's some hand sanitizer, my reeds for my clarinet, some hair products, some dental stuff, my keyboard. I just moved my mirror right now, and I have some face masks and some other stuff, some makeup in here, and some like photos and things to do in there if I want it with a Polaroid. Here's my bed. I'm getting my sheets cleaned right now. Friend over there, my clock, my emotional or positive basketball, my fan thing, my horse, my like thing that holds up my phone. You guys again. I think I already showed you guys. I'm gonna show you my closet. My closet, I don't know if I cleaned. Here's all my makeup on here, my entire team. My clothes in here, my clothes in the dresser, down there is like my stuff for school, so I stuffed it far away so I don't have to see it for a long time. Fair enough. I'm not gonna show this because it has some like other stuff on it, but some clothes. Makes a lot of clicking sounds, by the way. Over here I have my calendar, which also I could check off today because I'm doing my video right now. I like to post videos probably tomorrow. I'm probably gonna record Saturday or Sunday again. That's what I'm recording right now. My horse camps. As you can see, I'm pretty busy, and I'm also gonna record like other stuff for camps. Some NATOs, Honey Angels, mascara, Sunny Angels. I'm gonna put this higher up also. Oh. I have this right here. And this is pretty much my room. It's not that big, but it's not that small either. It's pretty darn cool. Oh, Horse Breeds of the World. Pretty cool. My room, my old room used to be down here where my sister is, but now my dog is in it. The office, you know, things like that. Nothing too new or bad in here, and we're probably just gonna keep up the Q&A questions because, like, I think this is pretty much it of my room. I mean, tell me if you want something else to show you because I really have nothing else, but some makeup, some more Fridays. Yeah, not a lot of stuff, but that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it for today's video. I don't have a lot in store. I'm going to be trying to like no clue. I might do a video where you come to horseback riding with me, like all these different ideas that I have stored up here and I wrote down. But we'll see what's in the next. And if you stay this far, might as well like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.